Good job. Okay, Aiden, show us some spunk. Are you going to try to crawl?
Watch me.
There she goes. Hello. How are you? You want to crawl or you just want to lay down? No pressure. No pressure. You going to come to me? Hi, little cutie pie. Ooh, where's Callie? Oh, you're going to get us. You're going to get us.
I'm right here.
Good job. There he goes. Good job. Are you going to crawl to Callie?
No, you have to keep pressing if he wants to crawl like this. Watch me crawl.
Stay away from my feet. They can't make it on the video.
You push your knees, Mom.
You push your knees?
And put your head on.